Hello everyone and welcome to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Today I'm not gonna show you a life hack. I'm gonna show you an unboxing of a drone. Oh yeah. And not a typical drone, a NASA drone. NASA just sent me a drone that they use in their secret businesses. So let's check it out. Okay, hello, here we have the drone. As you can see, it says NASA drone right here with 4 exclamation marks, and you can see this is the official drone, not a typical drone. So let's open it. We must be very careful so it will not break. Let's see. Oh, and oh my god, as you can see, this is the NASA drone, the infamous NASA drone. Pretty cool. Look at this. This is amazing.